Welcome, my dear students, to the channel Mom and Taksh. Today we are going to check out the warming up and English workshop of the lesson The Kite Festival, that is from Standard 8, subject English. Okay, here today we are going to get familiar with the colorful kites. Let us check out. Here they have given us the different kites. We have to cut out the wrong kites. In the first series, that is of noun, that is festival, celebration, tradition and competition, here all the nouns words are correct. In verb, it is festivity, celebrate, trade and compete. Here festivity is wrong because it doesn't symbolize any action. In adjective, as it shows the quality, where they have given festive, celebrity, traditional, compare. So here celebrity and compare is the wrong kite. Okay. So according to the noun, verb and adjective, we have cancelled the kite, where we can check out the nouns are all correct. Verb festivity is the wrong kite and adjective is celebrity, compare. Let us check out the chart. Here, as I have said, in verb and in adjective you can see the wrong kites. Okay. Topic, that is name the festival that you enjoy the most of all. Fill in the facts about that festival. So first they have given as name of the festival, that is Ganesh Chaturthi. See, I have put according to mine. This is my favorite festival. When it is celebrated, August or September. Why is it celebrated? It is celebrated because it marks the birthday of Lord Ganesha. Okay. How is it celebrated? Bringing home ideals of the Lord. Like this way it is celebrated. Next, special cuisine. Cuisine means the speciality of that festival. So the special cuisine is the sweets and the modaks. Everywhere in front of Ganesh as a prasad we offer Lord Ganesha sweets and modak. Okay. Next, other special features are all the peoples are getting together, a good get together goes on and the feast is looking like happening. Okay, the next one is give the antonyms and synonyms of the words below, choosing from those given. Okay, always remember synonyms are the meanings, antonyms are the opposite word. Okay, let us check out the words we have to make in synonyms as well as in antonyms. So here it is happily, joyfully, sorrowfully, traditional, old-fashioned, modern, halt, pause, start, trump, victory, defeat. Okay, so here was the synonym and antonyms of the word which we have done. Let us check out the other words. Exotic, foreign, native, rival, competitor, partner, soar, rise, drop, brilliance, luster, dullness. Next is say whether the following statements are true or false. Fibreglass kites led to creating power-driven aeroplane. False. In Gujarat, the festival is celebrated to welcome the spring. False. Uttarayana starts from Makar Sankranti onwards. True. Kite flying in Gujarat is a competitive sports come festival. That is true. The Kite Bazaar in Ahmedabad is open day and night for a week. True. The special thread for kite flying is sharpened by adding sugar and glass pieces. False. Next is use points from the lesson. Give the details of the following in a short paragraph for each topic. So first topic is of different types of kites. Let us discuss it. Traditional kites are made of kite paper and have thin wooden frames. The modern kites may be motorized or made of fiberglass. Exotic kites have marvellous shapes such as that of eagles and snakes. They are also illuminated box kite called tukals. Next is International Kite Festival at Ahmedabad. Okay, the International Kite Festival at Ahmedabad is held either at the Sardar Patel Stadium or the Police Stadium. It attracts international kite flyers as well as local champions. Little Indian paper kites compete with those from Japan, USA, UK and other countries. Exotic kites with marvelous shapes such as eagles and snakes soar in the sky. The Patang or Kite Bazaar in the heart of Ahmedabad is open 24 hours a day for a whole week, and people crowd the street through the night. Skilled craftsmen demonstrate age-old kite making skill and how to prepare special thread. At night, illuminated box kites are sent into the sky. Okay, such a fascinating view we have looked. The International Kite Festival, which is held at Ahmedabad. Next is the Kite Bazaar of Ahmedabad. Here, let us check out the Kite Bazaar. During the Kite Festival at Ahmedabad, the Patang or Kite Bazaar in the heart of Ahmedabad is open 24 hours a day for a whole week. People crowd the street and buy their stalls. Handling through the night. Skilled craftsmen demonstrate age-old kite making skill and how to prepare special thread covered with a mixture of glue and ground glass. Some answers are similars. Okay. Next is, you have just written after your first experience of the kite festival in Gujarat or Ahmedabad. You were thrilled with the festivity. Write a short report about the kite festival for your local newspaper. Give an attractive headline, a dateline, and an account of kite festive. Write the report in third person with more use of passive voice. Okay, let us check out how to write it. And here is a pattern given. First, we have to give the heading of it, that is Greenwood School Organized Kite Flying Feast. Okay, Greenwood's Global School City organized Kite Flying Feast at its campus on November 24, 2018. Students had a great fun at the school. Inter-class and inter-house kite flying contests were held. The students brought colorful kites and string. The sky over the school was full of multicolored kites. Both house students won the contest by cutting maximum numbers of kites. The principal and the members of the school management awarded the winners medals and certificates. The parents had also been invited to witness the kite flying feast. That means everybody enjoyed. Okay, so this is the way you can write the report writing. Okay, next is, you have a friend who lives abroad. Write a letter to your friend describing how you enjoyed the kite festival. So first we write the address, Gulmohar, Ahmedabad, 11 Jan 2020. Then we put a salutation, that is, Hi Rajiv. Okay, then the main body we will write, how are you? You have hardly written to me after you went to London. Why the silence? Yes, I know you are busy, but you can spare some time for an old friend, can't you? Here in Ahmedabad, the kite festival is just over. We had a wonderful time flying kites and cheering others. Schools was closed for 2 days, and my friends and I spent one day watching the competition at the police stadium and the other day at the ground near our house. Flying an assortment of kites, our kites were ordinary ones, but you should have seen the exotic kites being flown at the police stadium. They were from Japan, US, UK, Thailand, Korea, and other places. They were in the shape of eagles, snakes, crocodiles, dragon, etc. Some had shining tails, while some had bejewelled bodies. The competition was very stiff, but guess what? The first prize was won by the Indian team. Our own competition too was very thrilling. We cut so many kites. We were also awake the whole night, shopping for kite and eating. It was really a wonderful time. Well, I hope that next year you will be back in India and maybe you can come to Ahmedabad during this time. You will certainly enjoy the festival and the eats. Hope you find time to reply. Your friend Viraj. Next is, underline the verb form in the following sentence and state their tense and aspects. Okay, so here let me clear you one thing. For progressive we use ing. Okay, for perfect we use have, has, had. These are the three things which we use, and ed, en for past, for perfect tense. Okay, so let us begin with the sentence. They are waiting for the right wind. Okay, so here the verb is waiting and they have used are waiting, so it will be present progressive. Next is people were hanging over the price of kites. So here the verb is hanging, but they have used were. Where hanging is past progressive. Okay, next is vendors had been selling kites all through the week. So here selling is verb, but had been they have given, so had been selling is past perfect tense. Skilled craftsmen had demonstrated age-old skills. Okay, so here demonstrated is our verb, but had demonstrated is the perfect tense. Okay, next is State Tourism Corporation will be organizing the International Kite Festival. Okay, so organizing is our verb, but when it comes with will be organizing, by the word itself will, we understand this is future progressive tense. Okay, next one, kite flyers have demonstrated the skill with exotic kites. Okay, again here demonstrated is verb, but have demonstrated symbolize the present perfect tense. Hope you all understood the grammar topic, tense and everything. If my notes are useful, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, my dear students.